AudioQuest has introduced the first ever 48 gigabit HDMI cable that not only supports all the high dynamic range format, but it is specifically built for 8K video transmission. It is pretty much designed for the highest video transfer that is available currently, which is 8K. It is HDMI 2.1. So it is able to give you the highest bitrate pass-through for video right now. So if you're a HDMI junkie, you would love this. Not just HDMI junkie, but if you're someone that likes the best and the greatest video quality displays, you would love this news pretty much, because you're gonna get the best with this new HDMI cable. Now, according to AudioQuest, it is 48 gigabits and it can receive ultra high speed transfer of data, and it is the next generation HDMI 2.1, supporting 8K at 60 Hertz and 4K at 120 Hertz. It supports all the dynamic range HDR and has all the enhanced 3D audio processing capability on board. It even has enhanced audio return channel. AudioQuest claims that the build quality of the HDMI is very good and should last you a very long time. That it's been tested to have durability, and they even claim that it's built so well that you probably may not really have connection drops like that, and you can buy it from any length from 0.75 meters to 5 meters. Prices range from $39.95, that's $40, all the way up to an astronomical $2,199.95, which is pretty much $2,200, just to be direct with the price point. So if you have the money for it and you want to pre-order this, you have to go to AudioQuest website. I'll be sure to leave that in the description with the article. That is it. That's pretty much it. It's a nice cable. If you really want the best picture quality, you want the best connection output right now, this is the one for you, and just do well to check it out. Be sure to follow us on our YouTube channel, subscribe, like our content, and I'll see you guys next time.